I used to think that content creation was just made for those outgoing extroverts or those super hyper focused introverts. So in my case, where did that leave me? You know, someone that has both of those qualities. If you're like me, you've struggled with being social but still valuing your personal time. If you've ever felt stuck between being social and still valuing your alone time, this video is for you. Ambivert and how I pushed past my fears to start my content creation journey. If you find yourself to be an ambivert too, I've got some content creation tips for you. An ambivert is someone who sits between being an introvert and an extrovert. You can be social, but you still deeply value your alone time. For me, it always felt like I didn't fit into the traditional creator role because some days I wanted to share everything I did. And then other days, I kind of just wanted to disappear from social media and unplug. So if you ever felt like you were too quiet for social media, but too social to stay behind the scenes forever, then you may be an ambivert. And spoiler alert, 80% of those who believe they are introverts are actually ambiverts. They've just never pushed past their fears. I didn't come into the revelation that I was an ambivert until one of my business besties shared a video with me and it instantly clicked. Video alone gave me the courage I need to sit in front of you today. And with now defining my true passion, I'm able to create my content with a breeze and share as much or as little as I like to. Ambiverts make amazing content creators because we're good at adapting. We can engage when we need to, and then we can sit back and reflect when necessary. We also create content that connects deeply. And that's because as ambiverts, we understand energy and stillness and the beautiful chaos in between. We bring a unique balance to content creation. We can be fun, informative, and relatable without focusing on ourselves to be someone that we're not. So you can say ambivert creators are truly authentic. The beautiful thing about ambiverts is that we share the perfectly imperfectness that is us. So if you struggle with wanting to be social but still valuing your alone time, my friend, you may be an ambiverted creator. Welcome to the tribe. As an ambivert creator, one tip that I want to give you is to batch create. Film multiple videos when you're feeling socially confident. This way, when you're having low energy days, you don't have to put on face and force yourself to show up on camera. You can just do some editing on those days. Not every video has to be high energy and perfect. Some of the best content comes from you just naturally being you. Calm, thoughtful, intimate content, those are the days that some of your content is going to shine. Something just like this. Give yourself grace. Give yourself permission to take breaks and come back stronger than ever. Key to your success as an ambivert is consistency over time, not constant daily output. And trust me when I say content burnout is real. I suffered with that a lot during my content creation journey in the beginning, and I'm now just getting my flow. So give yourself a little grace. You don't have to be the loudest person in the room or even the flashiest dress. Your audience will resonate directly with you. They will gravitate to your unique energy, and before you know it, you'll have your own community. Just remember to always show up as authentically you. Your uniqueness is what we are waiting for. Being an ambivert doesn't mean that you're not cut out for content creation. It just simply means you have the special ability to connect with your audience in your own way. If you've been holding back because you're unsure on how you'll fit into this space, I hope this video gave you the push that you needed. And since we made it this far in the video, do me a favor, hit that like button so that other ambiverts can find this video and get the motivation that they need too. And while you're there, don't forget to subscribe to my channel for more videos like these. And let's talk more in the comments. Let me know if you're an ambivert too, and if you decide on starting your content. Let's make a plan for you to hit record. And of course, I'll be back with another video. Okay, love you, bye!